Thank you. Okay, you go first. Good one.
Thank you. This sport will bounce.
Mm-hmm. Use your holes. Go again. Whoa, nice form. Nice form. Got one left. One left, Bubba. You want to see Mama can get it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Those.
All right.
Oh, my Mama.
All right, Mama.
Now it's your turn to watch me.
Okay, I'm watching. It's okay. You don't need it to pick up the pins. Try to set up all the pins.
All setting my bowling pins right here so the nobody's able to find them.
Good idea.
Mommy, can you help me?
I think you're doing a good job.
I can't do it.
You're doing a great job. Look, you already got 4. Why don't you pick up 2 at a time?
No, 4 the time. Mommy, I broke this floor.
That's okay. Let's keep setting up your bowling pins.
I got 2.
Good job. Okay, now bowl, man.
Okay. Go, Mommy.
It's your turn.
Now it's your
It's my turn? Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, here we go. Here we go. I got 2.
Wow, cool.
I know. Woo! Good job, Jack.
I got 2 too.
Go again.
No.
Nope. Go again. All right. Go again.
Okay. Let me get my phone.
Go again.
I'll use the red one, not the blue one.
Okay. All right. You got them all.
Mommy, can you help me?
Sure, I'll help you.
And I'll put my bowling ball right here.
Great idea.
And I'll put your bowling ball right here.
That's a great idea.